okay, he's just the co-founder?
See, that is again a basic of your team sizing, is that somebody who is there as a co-founder, he should have a significant role in your team. And unless it sounds to be very much fabricated, all right?
Mhm.
So we would look for that, if somebody is a natural team, designed well for the idea, well for the plan that you have, model that you have, or somebody has been just like Caesar to be fitted into the team to just gain the opportunity of this scheme. So that we have to look at, that somebody has to be logically fitting into the team, ideally with respect to the scheme and with respect to the incubation and startup business. If somebody is there in the team, we must justify him logically, that what is his presence, how his presence contributing into the business, contributing into the product development, or somehow into the process. So that's that's a common understanding, I think.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, any other questions?
हाँ नमस्कार, मैं हेमंत तिवारी बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ सर जी, बोलिए।
अपना बाजार ई कॉमर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, दैट इज द स्टार्टअप कंपनी
सर।
और हम ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन के साथ साथ ई कॉमर्स एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को भी प्रमोट करने जा रहे हैं
सर जी।
और अपने ऑनलाइन के अलावा एक मैं प्लेटफॉर्म ला रहा हूँ startupfed.com फॉर द ओनली स्टार्टअप कंपनी, कि जिनके पास मार्केटिंग सॉल्यूशन नहीं है वो यहाँ पे बोर्डिंग करेंगे और अपने माल को हम वहाँ पे इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट की भी हमारी उसमें प्लानिंग है
सर।
तो इसमें एक मेरे पास जो है एक लॉन्ग चेन मार्केटिंग का जो है, और जो ऑफलाइन सेल के लिए स्टोरेज वगैरह और खेती का जो अपना हमको प्रमोशन करना है, वहाँ पे एक लंबा स्कोप बनता है कि जहाँ पे हम फ्रेंचाइजी ऑफर कर सकते हैं। तो क्या आपके पास कुछ ऐसे लिस्ट हैं कि जो बंदा डेडिकेटेड चाहता हो कि हमको बिजनेस करना है, तो उनके साथ कोलैबोरेशन करके उनके सेक्टर में, जैसे उनके इलाके में हम अपना आउटलेट खोल दें, या हमारी कंपनी का वो ब्रांड देकर उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करके और उनको प्रमोट कर और आगे बढ़ाया जा सकता है? तो कुछ इस तरह का है डेडिकेटेड टीम या कुछ उनकी लिस्टेड की जहाँ पे उनको ये प्रमोट किया जा सकता है, भाई अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो हम अपने ब्रांड का आउटलेट आपको फ्रेंचाइजी दे सकते हैं, हमारे एग्रीकल्चर प्रोजेक्ट जो है हम जो अपना प्रमोट करने वाले हैं उसको काम करा सकते हैं? तो कुछ ऐसे नंबर ऑफ सेलेक्टर्स है कि आपके पास कि जिनको अप्रोच किया जा सकता है?
I mean, Mr. Tiwari, how this scheme is going to help you, may I know? ये जो स्कीम अभी हम बात किए वो आपको कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है?
हाँ, इसमें ये है कि अगर मान लीजिए दो चीज है कि अभी हम ब्रॉडवे में जा रहे हैं शुरू करने, जैसे आपने बताया।
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि ये जो अभी हम अंबेडकर सोशल इनोवेशन इंक्यूबेशन मिशन का जो स्कीम है, ये स्कीम आपका स्टार्टअप को कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है? आपका स्टार्टअप में से कोई एक को-फाउंडर शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट है?
नहीं, मेरे पास कोई को-फाउंडर नहीं है। मैं चाहता हूं कि इस सेक्टर जिस वर्क की आप बात कर रहे हैं, अगर उस वर्क का कोई बंदा डेडिकेटेड कुछ लिस्ट है कि आपके पास कि वो चाहता हो कि बिजनेस करना है हमें, तो वैसे लोगों को हम प्रमोट कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद जो बेनिफिट हो गए उसको उसमें इंक्लूड कर दिया जाएगा उस लड़के के लिए।
ठीक है, वो आई थिंक वी कैन डिस्कस अबाउट इट ऑफलाइन। आप मुझे कॉल कीजिए, आई एम गिविंग द नंबर, तो उसके हिसाब से हम बात करेंगे। बिकॉज वी आर जस्ट लुकिंग एट जो टीम अभी ऑलरेडी is led by a startup, led by a scheduled caste entrepreneur, or if somebody has at a different stake structure and they can come up to this वो stake structure भी अगर इधर उधर है तो उसको हम अभी 7 to 10 days में we can make it 51% for the SC co-founder and can mold it for the application. तो जिसके जो स्टार्टअप के पास है उसको हम अभी इमीडिएटली पिक कर रहे हैं। अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो अभी हमको ये एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस पता चलेगा।
अभी मान लीजिए हमारे पास, मान लीजिए अगर को फाउंडर नहीं है, मैंने दो चीजें कही आपको कि एक तो स्टार्टअप फेड जो हमारा आने वाला है तो वैसे जो भी फाउंडर हैं अभी जो सुन रहे हैं जिनको मार्केटिंग को लेकर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो ओनली फॉर द स्टार्टअप कंपनी हम startupfed.com लेकर एक ई कॉमर्स का पोर्टल ला रहे हैं जहां पे वो बोर्डिंग कर सकते हैं। तो मेरा ये कहना है कि ऐसे लोग अगर हैं जो जुड़ना चाहें वो उस पे जो है अपना बोर्डिंग कर सकते हैं, उनको मार्केटिंग का हम दे सकते हैं। तो अगर इस तरह का कुछ लिस्ट आपके यहाँ बनता है जिस वर्ग को लेकर आप बात कर रहे हैं कि उनको मार्केटिंग प्रमोशन की जरूरत है, उनको डिस्प्ले काउंटर की जरूरत है, वो सारी चीजें हमको फैसिलिटी में अवेलेबल कराने वाले हैं।
ठीक है, तो ये पहले बन जाए। जो ये लिस्ट अभी तक बना नहीं है, ये गवर्नमेंट का जो स्कीम है वो फ्लोटेड है। अभी हम लिस्ट बना के स्टार्टअप को क्वालिफाई करने के बाद आप उनको यूज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है,
ओके
ओके। Somebody has a raised hand.
Hi, Mr. Patnaik. It's Ashish this side.
Hi, please tell me.
Yeah, so I was asking what is the focused sectors and what is the stage of the startup that you are considering to?
Oh, okay. So यहाँ पे कोई मेंशन नहीं है कि स्टार्टअप का स्टेज क्या होना चाहिए एंड सेक्टर फोकस क्या होना चाहिए। सेक्टर फोकस एंड स्टेज कैन बी एनीथिंग, बट विथ रिस्पेक्ट to the stage of the startup, we have to define the utilization of this ASIM fund and further, So it doesn't matter you are at idea, you are at POC, MVP, GTM, whatever stage you are. We have to justify that how we are going to utilize this fund further to develop to take us to the next level. And then sector focus is absolutely agnostic.
Okay, great. And the SC co-founder must have 51% stake.
Yeah. So if you naturally have a SC co-founder, but the stake structure is something different, we can start working on now. Apply for the new, shareholding pattern. It can be, authorized by your CA, and that CA signatured, shareholding pattern sheet can also be submitted to that.
Okay. Thank you. That's all.
Any other questions?
Hi sir, I have one question. If any team, any founder is not belongs to any SC category, so is there any option to join this program, or we cannot join that one?
This is like if you are not at all incorporated, or if you have proper justification, if you are not at all incorporated, you can take him as a teammate and incorporate. And otherwise, if you have a proper justification of taking somebody into your team, then you can onboard him as a co-founder and apply later. Like after you get the shareholding pattern ready, again approved by the ROC, you can apply. Hello?
Okay.
Could I answer you?
Got it. Yes.
Like, let's say somebody you want to take him up, he should have a proper justification that why he is onboarding your team. You can think of it, how somebody is suitable to your team. And accordingly, you can onboard him to your team and rearrange the stake structure, giving him 51% share. And having an internal bond, when you are giving a 51% share to do the documentation for this, you can have an internal bond that we are doing it for this particular fund, and otherwise the fund structure, the shareholding pattern would be something else, and you all co-founders can sign that bond sheet and agree on that. And after 3 years, when you come out of this particular scheme, then your natural stakeholder shareholding pattern falls into its structure.
Okay.
That can also be done. Yeah.
Okay. If our company startup is on early revenue stage, then still there is no chance on this, right?
No chance of?
To joining this, means we can display our all financial record documents, like we are an early revenue state on our startup. So if you are giving that also, there is no chance to
No.
participate.
participate, the minimum criteria is you should have somebody who has 51% stakeholder share in your company. So you can have somebody and give them 51 share at any point of your business. Nobody asks you why, but you should have some logical serving key. Somebody onboards because of this reason, other than to qualify into this funding scheme.
Okay.
So आप कोई भी stage पे हो, you can definitely onboard somebody and rearrange your shareholding pattern.
Okay, got it. Thank
So
you.
let's say you onboard someone and send an application through a CA or directly to ROC to rearrange your shareholding pattern. You'll be getting it in 15 days, and then you can apply. No issues.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Patnaik ji, congratulations of your brief information regarding this startup program. This is Dr. Dilip Kumar Navle from Karnataka, Gulbarga district.
Sir.
We are very new to this, scheme and all. Actually, we have applied for KIDV, Karnataka Small Scale Industrial, for the starting new industrial program.
Sir.
Actually, my brother is very much interested to start these kinds of program. See, what are the criteria for to taking share and how to apply? Because of due to network problem, we couldn't hear properly. So could you brief the hello?
Yeah,
Right.
anybody? Yes. Anybody is there who is eligible? Your startup is eligible for this scheme?
No, actually, we are not. Just we are actually planning to start. We don't have any schemes and all that. That is the reason.
So this scheme explains that your team of co-founders for a startup should have one scheduled caste co-founder.
Okay.
On who should be having more than 51% of the share as per your AOMOA. So when you are incorporating your company, when you are submitting the shareholding pattern, the scheduled caste co-founder should be having 51% of the share of the company.
Okay.
Once it is done, then you are eligible to apply under this scheme.
Okay.
This scheme avails you 30 lakhs in 3 years. And when you use this 30 lakhs effectively and show some appreciable conversion in 3 years, then you are also eligible to raise a fund up to 5 crores as VC fund. So that VC fund will have a soft equity, not like other commercial VCs, but this is a government venture capital fund. So for that 5 crores also, they will be taking some appreciable equity from you, but not like the other commercial VCs. So that is the core of this scheme.
Okay, Patnaik ji, but what one thing, we have started 25 members. We have applied for planning for a registration of corporation body. So once it is fulfilling all criteria, then we are eligible. Now we are not eligible for this scheme, I believe.
Like once you 25, what you told? 25?
Yeah, actually, we 25 members like-minded, all belongs to SC community only.
Okay.
So we have applied for industrial. Here, Kadechur is an industrial hub. SEZ, Special Economic Zone, is there in Yadgir district. So we applied for a land allotment for the industrial. Along with, we are starting off to a registration of corporation body, all 25 members. Whether we are eligible for this scheme after fulfilling that criteria. Hello.
Not criteria, because you all are scheduled caste candidates. So once you registered with the company, then you can apply.
Okay. We have to register a company.
Individual can only be if you are a student winning some hackathon, national level hackathon, then only you are eligible. Otherwise, if you are not a student and not winning any hackathon, you should be your company. You should be your company. So once you register for the company, Because all of you are scheduled caste,
Yeah, yeah.
co-founders. So you straight away can apply on anybody's name.
Okay. This is your number, na? 773503.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll contact you. Thank you so much, Bhagwatji, for giving me a great opportunity and chance. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks for participating. Yeah. Any other
अच्छा,
question?
हाँ, एक और मेरे को ये थोड़ा सा जानकारी ये चाहिए थी कि वो 51% शेयर स्टॉक जो होना चाहिए कंपनी में होना चाहिए ना, कि कंपनी के किसी अदर ब्रांड में भी चलेगा?
ब्रांड में शेयर होता है क्या? कंपनी का ही शेयर होता है.
अच्छा.
कंपनी हैज अ शेयर, आप ब्रांड उसमें 50 ब्रांड हो सकता है. ब्रांड का अलग से तो शेयर नहीं होता. दूसरा कंपनी है तो दूसरा कंपनी है.
ओके. राइट.
सो योर हाँ.
Mr. Patnaik,
Yes,
so
sir.
the SC co-founder has to retain their 51% share throughout the 3 years, or if they go for
Definitely.
Sorry.
You asked which stage. Sometimes the question that you asked actually matters for the startups who are early stage and are on a point of growth. So they need to participate in other fundraising process also. So if you see a natural fit and the SC co-founder is SC co-founder can really work for you to raise funds from other platforms also. He's the dominating, or he's the major co-founder. Major contribution is from his side. Then it fits naturally. Otherwise, this may not be very suitable to raise fund in other cases. But let's say he is recessive, or he is not, majority of the contribution doesn't come from him. But in a natural shareholding pattern also, if somebody has a bigger share, and then it's like you can have the SC co-founder for 51 and somebody else for 40%, and rest of co-founders can have 10%, and after 3 years you can do that. So
please go on.
So two co-founders having major share also is a good point for the fundraising in other platforms also.
Right. So when you fundraise in other platforms, so you have to dilute your share, right? So that was my concern.
See, at the end of the day, if you have properly utilized this, it is followed by one more 5 crore kind of VC fund. Okay. Right. So if you imagine that, we will definitely make right use of this fund and grab that 5 crores fund. Fair enough, you won't have to come to the very complex due diligence and dilution of more share for the investment in future in other platforms. But rather here there will be a very soft dilution, and you can raise up to 5 crores. So you should always, if it is a fabrication that somebody or SC co-founder, you are just letting him, or he is having a recessive role, not the primary contribution into the company, then you should be slowly letting him having contribution into the company. Or as I told, you can always have an internal bond structure where you fix your original shareholding pattern and sign for that.
Got it. No, obviously it's not a fabricated one, but the thing is, the sector we are in, there are some chances to get external funding within 1 or 2 years, maybe, of course. So that's why I was asking. But I'll just connect with you offline.
Yeah, sure. So we can do that. Otherwise, even we can change, your, let's say, but if you're taking other sources, then you become compliable, because he joins as a, again, a co-founder to your company, the investor. He becomes a stakeholder to your company. So he knows every in and out after that.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we have to see the priority of your fund need, and if this solves some critical needs now, then we should go for. And then if your model says that your growth is taking around 3 years to raise fund, then it's advisable. Otherwise, we shouldn't suicide, with this 30 lakhs for the multiple couple of crores as a investment fund in 1 or 2 years, as you said.
Right. Got it. Got it.
Let's connect, discuss more about your plans and all. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Soumya Ranjan, please tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. So my question is, if I'm having a company and I'm been incubated in TBI or AIC, and also got investment from TBI or AIC, and again I'm planning to have a new company with a SC co-founder having 51% share. So am I eligible for this ASIM scheme? Because I have already taken government investments and grants, and also been incubated in AIC or TBI.
Doesn't matter. You should, this company shouldn't be, this company has whatever the minimum criteria you're involved. You may be having one more company, doesn't matter.
Okay. So
If the new company has a, it's always good to have a logical shareholder with you who is a scheduled caste person. Then it works. Doesn't matter. If idea is good, if the contribution of the SE co-founder is pretty, justifiable and all that, then it should never matter.
there is no relation with any
No,
other companies being a
You can
director
be-
in another company.
Yeah, you can be owner of 22 companies.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So you can plan about if you're having a good idea, you can plan about.
Sure. We'll definitely discuss with you offline.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Any other question? Yeah, please.
Duration of fund getting 30 lakhs.
It should be after you're getting shortlisted, you should be presenting a complete your kind of the budget should be looking at 10 lakhs a year and its utilization. Okay, so you would be submitting for the budget for first year. What are the things you are including? What are the expenses? So you would be utilizing 10 lakhs in the first year. In the second year, like you will be giving a 30 lakhs budget, but you will be breaking it up to year 1, year 2, and year 3. Okay, so year 1 budget and land, milestones. Year 2 budget and milestones. Year 3 budget and milestones. So this will be submitted. So when year 1 budget is allotted and milestones are already submitted to them are achieved, then year 2 comes to you. Year 2 milestones are achieved, year 3 comes to you. So you are defining your complete process and targets and objectives and milestones within 3 installments. Year 1 you're going to meet all these in milestones after getting 10 lakhs. Once you meet all these milestones, you're getting year 2 fund. After meeting year 2 milestones, you are getting year 3 funds.
And how to repay it, sir?
Pardon?
Means after the fund getting, we
Yeah.
need to repay me.
No. You have to utilize the fund properly so that your committed milestones have been covered within that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Patnaik.
Yes, Tejasvi, boliye.
Yes, I had very basic questions. First question is that when you send the link for uploading all the documents and all, what would be the deadline from today onwards?
Okay, we will give at least 7 days to upload the things because I think other than the idea and POC level, startups, everybody would be having some sort of documents with them, and you can take a couple of days to get into it and suit it to us. But at an average, we would be needing 7 days to submit your funds, submit your documents. So in the next 7 days, we would find out who are more eligible, and within next 10 days, we would be calling for a presentation, and find out the best of the startups and then we'll have our edition. Like in 3 to 4 weeks, we'll be applying your final documents onto the portal. So on
Okay.
101, whoever is done first, we can get his documents uploaded and application done.
So it's just kind of tentative.
It's just kind of tentative. Let's say you Tejas, you have all the documents ready and we saw, and it's very, like we hardly add anything into it, or we, even if we add, we did it in a 7 days or 10 days time, then we can upload yours, because it's individual uploading. There is nothing from incubator side. So you just look at that. The applications that have been uploaded from our end are very competitive and meeting it.
Okay.
So we are looking at uploading applications from 20th of May to May onwards. 20th May onwards.
All right. Okay.
Sir. So where are you speaking from?
Sir, I'm speaking from Pune, Mr. Patnaik.
Okay.
Yes. And also one more question I had, Mr. Patnaik. Are there any restrictions for raising any other funds apart from the scheme in these 3 years of period?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Absolutely not. But the you have to look at your shareholding pattern. If it's pretty comfortable, you can go anywhere. It's your internal thing. Yeah.
And Mr. Patnaik, is there any restriction on the 51% shareholder stakeholder that to remain in India during these 3 periods of time, or he can be out of country as well and work on it, or is there any restriction to be here in India?
It doesn't matter until he is not an NRI.
Okay. All right.
Because all the schemes they are saying the major shareholder has to be an Indian.
Right.
So until he is an Indian, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Right.
Sir.
And funds can also be raised during this scheme from international sources as well, right?
Absolutely. You should have your own qualifyings for that.
Okay.
It doesn't matter to anyone. And that always adds on, agar ministry paisa bhi diya hai, and you have done ample so that you qualify into other fundraise also, and that progress that you are doing through other resources also is a success to the ministry, is a conversion to the ministry. So it's always a matter of pride, nothing else.
All right. Okay.
Sir.
Thank you, Mr. Patnaik. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. This is Siddharth Patnaik.
You ask.
Asutosh Patra.
Are you asking about me?
No, sir. No.
Okay.
Any other? Yeah.
Yeah, I want to ask one question. This is a equity investment, equity stake investment, right? Or it is a grant?
Oh, it's like this VCFSC is equity based. Once you do that, so there will be an equity dilution from the government. You will be paying some a soft equity in terms of the fund that you're raising from.
For example,
equal amount of fund is raised from outsider.
Soft equity means 10, 20, 30, any particular number, percentage?
No, it depends on VCFFC में आप ऐसे में आप जितना फंड रेज करोगे, इसके बाद जो 3 साल के बाद आप जो भी फंड रेज करोगे, वो फंड रेज अमाउंट के हिसाब से VCFFC will be decide how much equity to take from you, and that would always be pretty less than the other commercial investors.
It depends upon the valuation of the company.
Valuation and amount that you mostly not valuation तो होता है एक reason कि what percentage will give them back a good amount, but other than it's like what is the amount that you're raising. No.
Okay.
30 लाख खर्चा करके आगे बढ़ने के बाद आपको देखिए 20 लाख से 5 करोड़ से ऊंचा भी आप जा सकते हो. तो आप 5 करोड़ रेज कर रहे हो, 1 करोड़ रेज कर रहे हो, 50 लाख रेज कर रहे हो, कितना करना आप चाहते हो उसके हिसाब से एंड आपके वैल्यूएशन के हिसाब से. They'll be asking
you. Exit plan is after 3 years.
See, this equity is for VCFSC. VC फंड जब आप लोगे, So exit. See, this fund you will be giving back to this equity. You will be giving to government. So this won't be, as painful as the commercial investors' equity. So there will be always a soft corner. There would be always a very low return you have to pay them in terms of the fund that you are raising compared to the commercial investors.
Okay, this fund is up to 30 lakhs.
This fund is up. This fund is up to 30. So the measure is 10 lakhs into the 3 slabs. But if you don't give a adequate budget of 10 lakhs, then you will be as much you are eligible. You will be getting, let's say 10 lakhs का आप एक estimation दिए हो जो कि लगता नहीं कि ये 10 lakhs है. So then they will cut it short. ठीक है.
Okay.
The measure. Yeah. So you have to give some unavoidable 10 lakhs. So अगर आप 30 lakhs का अभी प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, आप उसमें दिखा रहे हो कि मैं 15 लाख खुद ऐड कर रहा हूँ. So हर 10 लाख में मैं 5 लाख ऐड कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है. तो उसमें उनको लगेगा कि हाँ ये 10 लाख में काट नहीं सकता फिर. Not लगेगा. Again, the heads that you're asking on should be very critical and justifiable. कि जो head में जितना आप expenses दिखा रहे हो वो सही है. That should be there. अगर वो competitive pricing है and budgeting है, तो then why somebody will deduct? You have to kind of bid for it before the panel कि how actual this budget that you have given for 10 lakhs every year. So what I was telling in the last answer is I have to give a total budget of 30 lakhs with a milestone corresponding to 10 lakhs a year. Okay. So 30 lakhs को आप
should be 10 lakhs per year.
हाँ. So उसमें अगर आप दिखाते हो कि if your expectation is 10 lakhs from this fund, but you have an expense of 20 lakhs, so you are showing that I'll get 5 from somewhere, 5 from somewhere. Okay. So let's say you are saying 5 I will contribute and 5 I will get from some other schemes, from other CSR or something like that.
Banks or something like that.
Something like that. So he will be seeing that there is a critical, वो भी जो उसमें जो भी एक्सपेंसेस आप डिवाइड करोगे, कुछ क्रिटिकल एक्सपेंसेस आपके हिस्से में भी होना चाहिए. नहीं तो उसको लगेगा कि ये जो लिया है वो हल्का फुल्का लिया है एंड उसको वो करने वाला नहीं है, ये पैसा लेके भी वो प्रॉपर यूटिलाइज नहीं करेगा.
Like he is not serious about his venture.
हाँ, he just put all critical things on me and then he will raise hand कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था. ऐसा नहीं.
Loss हो गया, loss making business.
So the complete plan should express कि your contribution are also serious contributions and how you are going to do it. So you are not just expecting from this ministry for 10 lakhs each year, but you have some need of 10, 18, 20, something like that. So अलग 10 लाख आप different sources से लाके कर रहे हो and you should be doing that also, not just showing.
Okay.
अभी देखिए आपका 3 साल का आप नेचुरली अगर आपका कंपनी का 3 साल का आप एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान बना रहे हो, so you cannot restrict to 30 lakhs. You will make something of 40 lakhs, 45 lakhs, whatever it comes to. Yeah. So वो पूरा पैसे का आप 3 हिस्सा बनाइए एंड इसको 10 दिखाइए, बाकी अपना दिखाइए जो भी रिसोर्स, अदर कन्वर्जेंसेस. सिमिलर ईयर 2 में, सिमिलर ईयर 3 में. So वो देखेगा कि you are taking 30 lakhs from me, but you have a gross growth planned. Okay, so you are not just dependent on this 30 lakhs and want to do something. And वो होगा भी नहीं. 3 साल में 30 lakhs क्या है? And अगर कोई TBI आपसे पैसा लेना नहीं चाहिए as per ministry, अगर कोई लेता है तो आप तो डूब गए. आप 30 में से अगर वो 4-5 लाख ले लिया तो आप गया, आप क्या करोगे फिर बाकी पैसे में?
Right.
So you should be very much gross in terms of the planning of the 3 years and also the milestones, also the funds. Not just this 30, another 20 should be projected from your side and you should be able to arrange those 20 from other side.
Right.
So दिखेगा कि investor मतलब innovator entrepreneur भी खुद के side से 20 lakhs डाल रहा है.
Right.
And definitely you will get 20 lakhs 3 साल में serious entrepreneur will definitely get it. Not a big deal. We will have our network and all that to let you have it. But
No, according
provided,
to the scheme, if you are planning for more than 30 lakhs up to 5 crores or 15 crores, then definitely you have to earn more than 20, 30 lakhs in 1 year or 2 years.
definitely. So it should always be a surplus dividend for the ministry कि मैं इसको 30 लाख दिया बट वो मेरे को 75 लाख का चीज दिखाया
Right.
3 साल में, तब जाके वो खुश होता है कि मेरा भी नाम जाएगा कि एज अ टीबीआई यू आर ग्रोइंग दिस गाइज लाइक दिस, कि हर एक का 30 लाख से ज्यादा यूटिलाइजेशन हुआ है एंड 3x 4x कन्वर्शन हुआ है। तो 30 लाख लेके अगर आप 75 लाख का रेवेन्यू दिखाते हो, एनीबडी विल बी हैप्पी, डूबाने से अच्छा, बिकॉज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द फंड विल बी डूबेगा। तो
chances for getting the upgraded fund will be much more easier.
Much more easier, and that's a very remarkable fund. This is just 30 lakhs.
Right.
So that's what I told in every slide, that we should eye at the VCFSC. 5 करोड़ को टारगेट करके हमारा एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान अभी बनाना है हमको।
Right. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any other questions? Okay. If there is no question, we can end the session. It's already 1 hour. Thank you so much for participating. We will post the the list for the application and link for the application by today end of the day. Anybody who are interested can comply the application in the link, and
Can you
we'll
please share the slide also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll share you the link of the application where all these information are available.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Soumya, right? R Soumya.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Then I'll send mails to all of you with the link for the prerequisites required for the application. Then we'll see how many applications comes and we'll put you in the process of further screening and getting ready for the final application on the portal. Thank you so much for joining us. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Get registered for the Tika. Go and give it.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.